Here, pussy, 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 pussy. Here, pussy, 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 pussy. Up. Pussy, 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 pussy. Pussy, 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 pussy. Here you go, sneak up on the cat. Crikey. It's a fucking wallaby, hey? Crikey. This is a big beast here, she's a jaguar. Ooh. Kitty cat. Look this fucking way. Just a cat into the wild. Boogie, 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 boogie. Here, horsey, 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 horsey. Alright, crikey, it's on the other side of the bush, say. Here, pussy, pussy, pussy. There it goes. It looks like this crikey adventure is going to get nowhere today. Now we're going to watch two deadly animals mate in the wild. Look at the hair. It's like a horse's ears. Ugh. Crikey!
I wasn't blowing my nose.
You're on fucking camera now, I wouldn't fucking do. Crikey, she's waving at me. Crikey. Alright. It's a beer. Let's drink some.
Oh, thank you. Do you want to go play?